What's going on, everybody? I just want to let you know I really appreciate everybody that subscribes, anybody that watches any of the videos. This is the third time that I've done this video. I don't know why. It just keeps messing up on me. Anyways, yeah, it's just going to be a really short video. I hope everybody out there stays safe. Also, take care of your families. Do what you have to do. It's your prerogative, whether it goes for work and stuff like that. That's your family safety is up to you. That's for sure. And I don't really want to talk about that, but yeah. So please hit that subscribe button. If you want, leave comments. I appreciate it. And yeah, you guys be safe. And yeah, well, I'll see you soon on another video.